Now we will learn about paragraph element. The paragraph element divides the text into paragraphs and used to distinguish paragraphs in the web page. So let's move to the VS Code. So let me remove these codes, rather tags, and let me add a demo text, that is a lorem ipsum. Let me copy it and let me paste inside the body tag. So I have pasted it. So here it goes. Let me run it. Let me check what output does it provide. So when I check the output, it's showing all at a once. It not showing as a part of the paragraph. So what tag we need to add to display it as a paragraph? Let's see. Let me add P here inside the paragraph tag. And let me end the paragraph tag. So it's ending here. Done. Now let's do it for the other two. Now last one, we need to do the same. Here we need to add P, that is for paragraph tag. Now let's rerun it. So once I added the paragraph tag, it started showing in paragraphs. We can see it has 3 paragraphs, right? Let me now add the alignment also. So what alignment do I need to want? So one I will align at center, one I will align at right, and one I will align at left. The first one, let align it at left. Left. Now this one center. Now this one as right. Now let's rerun it. So when I run it, let me resize it. Okay, that's good. So we can see the first one is aligned at right, the next one is aligned at center, the last one is right aligned. Yeah, that's all in paragraph tag. Thank you for watching.